Hey there, I am going to show you how to turn this squash into this yummy looking squash you see here. Sit back and enjoy. So you're just going to peel this like you would an apple or a potato. I'm pretty sure you could use a potato peeler, but I chose to use a knife this time around, and I do apologize that I'm over to the side. I did think I was right up under the camera. I don't have a cameraman, so please forgive me. Thank you very much. Alright, I'm going ahead and slice this squash on up. This is so easy, very easy process, and this is so good you can eat it by itself, honey. Let me tell you something. Apparently, I am missing a clip. However, you are supposed to put butter in the bottom of your skillet. Put it in there, no water, season it, saute it around until it is tender, not crunchy, not too soft, and voila, there you have it.